When you install Plant 3D, the default specifications and catalogs are stored on your C drive. These out-of-the-box files are located in a folder, typically named AutoCAD Plant 3D 2026 Content. Inside this folder, you'll find several subfolders labeled as CPak, each containing specs and catalogs tailored for specific standards and applications. For instance, CPak ASME valves include specifications based on North American standards and also on Europe standards. Other folders like CPak DIN or wastewater provide specs for different regional or industry requirements. Within each CPak folder, there are usually three key file types. First, the PSPC file represents the actual spec file. Alongside it, there's a PSPX file, which is a required system file. These two files always need to be kept together. If you move one, you must move the other. Without both, the specification won't function properly. You'll also notice a PCAT file, which is the catalog file containing all available components. The spec file uses this catalog to filter and present only the relevant components for a project. It's important to manage these files correctly. If you want to create a new spec based on an existing one, such as SEEX 150, you should do so through the Spec Editor by opening the spec and using the Save As function. Simply renaming the file in Windows Explorer will break the link between the files, causing the spec to stop working properly. In the main content directory, you'll also find a folder called Common. This contains additional catalogs, often with an AutoCAD extension, such as the nozzle catalog or actuator catalog. These are considered auxiliary catalogs, containing parts like pipe supports or equipment nozzles. While important to the model, they aren't technically part of the main piping spec. Another notable folder is placeholder. This is used when a component isn't available in the current spec. For example, if you try to place a valve on a line and the spec doesn't have a matching part, Plant 3D can insert a placeholder. This serves as a temporary marker so you can return later and replace it with the appropriate custom component. It's a helpful way to flag missing items during design. Typically, spec files are project-specific. When you create a new project, Plant 3D copies the necessary spec files from the said content folder on the C drive into the project directory. However, if you're working in a team or multi-user environment, it's better to store these specs and catalogs on a shared network drive. You can reconfigure your project settings to pull specs from a central location instead of the local machine. Using local files works fine for single-user projects, but in collaborative environments, a common network location ensures everyone is using the same, up-to-date data. To maintain consistency and prevent errors, it's best to limit editing access to a small group of trained users. This helps ensure that all team members are working with accurate and synchronized specs and catalogs.